All right, here we are. It's a moment of truth. So we all know numbers tell the truth of everything. So here we are, as you see, the last 12 months. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot that over again. Apply. 12 months. We've done almost 500,000 in sales. 45,000 increase. Absolutely crazy. We went from conceptualizing a brand, starting out from completely scratch. We did like what 6,000. It's like two or three orders the first month, 11,000. Then we went ahead and went up to 34,000. We tripled the revenue in 1 month. From there, we went ahead and went to 35, 78, and then another 78 again. Now, we kind of plateaued at this and we had a major shift where we sold out of our top products. And we messed up into some supply chain issues, and we actually had some months that weren't as good as the months prior, but that's perfectly okay. We didn't have our top products, and we also pulled down the budget exponentially, so we were still profitable. And as you see right here, we're actually able to start pulling this back up. And we are on the upward trend, and we're going to absolutely crush this. I cannot wait to see this full graph outline, because we're going to be up here and up here. This little hump is going to be just something in our rear view. On top of that, what I want to highlight, $1,000 is the average order value. So if you guys are struggling to get a high average order value, go ahead and DM me, reach out to me on IG, Michael T. Coleman on IG. I see people all the time who's like, you can't sell high products items. You can't sell high products items. Well, look right here, 415 purchases with $1,000 average order value. You cannot make this stuff up. And as you see right here, it did have a lower conversion rate. We are working to get our conversion rate up, but it is also a higher ticket item, so that's going to sometimes happen. We were still able to be very profitable. All right, so the times weren't always good. As you did here, like we blew their brand up. They sold out of all their top products, and they had a little bit of supply chain issues. Now, at this point, they were a little bit weary. They're like, hey, this isn't quite working like we expected. And I had to like come to them and be like, hey, we sold out of our top products. We had to work on getting those back in to be able to get us to that next level. So we went ahead and worked on funding. We went ahead and worked on getting these new products in, and it's actually middle of November right here, 2024. But they're working on getting more products in for the first, and so the next year is going to go absolutely crazy for this brand. We have huge numbers in store. We actually plan on doubling this revenue. So we did about 500,000 this year, and we plan on doing about $1 million next year. With my Facebook strategy. Now, I won't be getting into my Facebook strategy today in detail. If you guys want that, I do have a video where I posted a couple weeks ago about my whole in-depth strategy. I'll also be posting more here in the future. This is just going to be an overview of a brand I've worked with, and so you guys can get an idea of what I can help do for you. Now, I worked predominantly on Facebook ads. I'm a Facebook ads media buyer, me and my team. We work and we scale brands just like this every single day. Now, you might be asking, like, what brand is this? I got that for you. So I don't ever show my brands, but this is the first time ever. So I'm going to go ahead and show my brand, and I'm so excited to do it because you guys ask me all the time, what are you selling? What are you selling? What type of brands do you use? And now I'm going to go ahead and actually show you for the first time. So let's go ahead and get into it. So here we are. This is Plins, New York. This is a brand I've been working with for over a year now, and they have absolutely amazing products. They're revolutionizing food displays in the everyday home and for caterers. Now, what they're doing is solving a problem where caterers have really ugly equipment, metal, very bulky, very heavy, and not attractive. So what they're trying to do is elevate your events. They have very classic designs. And they have a really good product that they've been working and honing in over time. Now, if we actually go to their product pages, we can go to some of their all-time selling products. So it's actually going to be this white range. As you see, it's selling for like $1,600. Going back, you'll see like kind of all their price ranges in different price range between 15 all the way down to about 600. So a really good price point, really good product. Again, why this product works so well is because it's unorthodox. It solves a problem that people aren't really used to. And it has really amazing displays. It's like you didn't even know that you needed this until you've seen it afterwards. Now we do like some before and afters. I'll talk about the website here in a little bit. This isn't the best website to go off of, but I do have some good websites that have crazy conversion rates that I'll go ahead and show you in the future. Now, I do want to show you their IG. They're going absolutely crazy on IG. I know only 14K followers, but absolutely amazing and beautiful content. Now, with this, it's really easy for me because I can come in here and look and see what content does the best, and then I can go and turn that into a Facebook ad virtually in a matter of minutes. So this is what's worked for us and helped us scale over the last couple of months. Go ahead and go back to the results. So here we are. So that's going to go ahead and conclude today. So I want to go ahead and just show you a brand I've been working with for the last year. We've done over $500,000 in sales, and we're going to continue to scale up. We have huge plans for next year. I went ahead and showed you the product a little bit, showing you that it's a product. High ticket products can be sold. It's just a matter of finding the right people. Now, if you are interested if you're interested in selling online, or you've tried to sell online with Facebook ads and it hasn't worked for you, go ahead and reach out to me on IG, Michael T. Coleman, and I'll go ahead and reach out and see how I can help you. Now, if that sounds something you're interested in, let's go ahead and get started as soon as possible, and I can't wait to hear from you guys soon. Now, with no further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. It was great talking to you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one.